Hey Johnny, I'm just wrapping Pencil Pencil a present because today it's his birthday. Yes, and I'm organising a surprise birthday party. Do you want to help me? Fantastic! Do you like the wrapping paper on his birthday present? It's blue and it's got dinosaurs on. It's brilliant. I tell you what, why don't we draw a birthday cake? Then we could make Pencil Pencil a birthday card. We could draw some birthday themed pictures. And then at the end, we can surprise Pencil Pencil and sing him happy birthday with a birthday cake. You ready?
It's morning time!
To draw our birthday cake, I'm going to use the colour purple. We'll start by drawing a straight line. This is going to be the top of our birthday cake. Here we go. There we go. That's the top of our birthday cake. You have a go. Okay, remember, it's just a straight line. Straight across. Perfect. That's the top of the birthday cake. Now we're going to finish drawing the top of the birthday cake, and we're going to draw some chocolate or icing oozing down. Sounds delicious. It's just wiggly lines. Follow me. So we'll start here, and it doesn't have to be perfect. The more random, the better. Can you see? Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Oh, that looks lovely. Look at all that chocolate slowly oozing down. Okay, now we need to finish the top of the birthday cake by drawing two lines, and then we go across and meet each other. I'll show you. So here's the first little line. Then we go across, squeak, and then up. Wow, that's the top of our birthday cake. You have a go. Okay, here you go. Remember, it's a wiggly line. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. The chocolate's all oozing down. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. That looks perfect. To finish, remember, we're doing the bottom of the birthday cake, where we go down, just a little line, across, and then up. It's looking scrumptious. Our birthday cake's gonna have two tiers. So we're gonna repeat the top of the birthday cake down here at the bottom. So we're gonna do the icing or chocolate or maybe jam oozing out the birthday cake again. Ready? The wiggly line. Here we go. Oh wow. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Wiggly. Squeak. Wiggly. Okay, that's the jam or chocolate or whatever fillings in your birthday cake oozing out. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the cake again, and it's just lines, remember? Okay, we go down, and then we go across, squeak, and then up again. Brilliant, that's the cake done. You have a go. Okay, so we're just copying what we did before. Yep, a wiggly line for the jam or the cream or the chocolate, whatever's oozing out of your birthday cake. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, that looks great. Now the cake part. It's just a line, down, across, and up. Oh, it looks nice. No birthday cake would be complete without having birthday candles on top. Pencil Pencil's 4. Shh. So we need to draw 4 candles, 4 rectangles. They're really easy to do. Follow me. We're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant! That's 4 candles on top of our birthday cake. Why don't you have a go? So it's just 4 candles. 1, brilliant. 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's looking great. To finish the candles, I'm going to put a little bit of detail on them. And it's just going to be 4 lines for the wicks of the candles. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a go. Okay, add the wicks to your candles. It's just 4 little lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. I've loved drawing a birthday cake with you, and it looks great. To bring it to life, we need to practice singing happy birthday for Pencil Pencil. You want to help? Great. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's working. To Pencil Pencil. Keep going. Happy birthday to you. Whoa! The birthday cake looks brilliant. Oh, I can't wait to try a piece. Let's colour our birthday cake in. Are you ready? You've got all your coloured crayons and pens ready? Me too. So, I'm going to colour my cake as a chocolate cake, and I'm going to make it have a jam filling. You ready? Okay, so I'm going to use brown, and I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do the sponge of the cake of chocolate. What colour are you doing yours? You could do yours maybe a yellowy colour if it's like a sponge cake. Or you could do yours a red colour, could be a red velvet cake. Yum, yum. That's the sponge done. And I'm going to carry on going here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but if you want, you can take your time and colour in the lines and make it perfect, but it doesn't matter. You can do it however you want. You could even colour your birthday cake any colour you want, because it's your picture. Now I'm going to use red. I'm going to use red for the jam in my chocolate cake. Can you see that? Oh, I love the colour red. You ready? How's your picture coming along? Oh, I like it. It's great. Okay, nearly done that. I'm going to also use another pen that's brown, but I'm going to use it for the chocolate on the top. I'm going to have chocolate on the top of my cake. Can you see that? It's still brown, but it's a different shade of brown. Looks delicious. Hungry now. Okay, that's great. So that's my chocolate cake with jam in. What's going down the sides. And I'm going to do the candles on the birthday cake. And to do that, I'm going to use, what colour shall I use? What colour are you going to use? I'm going to use blue. I'm going to do all my candles all different colours. Yeah. So the first one's going to be blue. It's going to have all different colour candles. Then I'm going to use orange. Oh, blue and orange. A pink. I'm going to use a pink. And I'm thinking yellow. So that's 4 candles all coloured in. I tell you what we could do. We could make the flames on top of the candles. You know what you blow out? Should we do that? I'm going to use orange for this, and I'm going to kind of just do some up and down lines like this. Can you see that? Oh, they look great. Brilliant. That's our birthday cake coloured in. What should we draw next? I'm having so much fun drawing birthday pictures with you. We've already wrapped our birthday present for Pencil Pencil with the nice dinosaur wrapping paper, but we need to make him a birthday card. I've already got one already. It's got me and Pencil Pencil on. It says happy birthday, which it's nice, but I think we should make our own pencil pencil birthday card. What do you think? You can make one as well. You don't have to make it for pencil pencil. You could make one for your grandma, your granddad, your mum, your dad, your friend, your best friend, your auntie, your uncle. You could even make one for me. It doesn't matter. Do you want to do it? Brilliant. Okay, I'm going to put the birthday card down here. First of all, we're going to get a piece of paper like this, and then we're going to fold it. We're going to fold it in half like this. Just like that. Can you see? I've folded the paper in half. This is going to be the front part of our card. Now you can decorate your birthday card however you want. You could put balloons on it, a birthday present. I might draw a picture of pencil pencil. What do you think? You can join me or you can draw whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to draw pencil pencil. You can watch. I'm going to start by drawing pencil pencil's body. Just a line like that. Can you see? Then I'm going to draw the bottom of pencil pencil. It's like a V. Just like that. Then I'm going to join these lines together by doing some curved lines. Just like that. And at the bottom of pencil pencil, you can see the lead of the pencil, which is just a line like that. And we can colour it in. I'm going to colour mine in like that. Now we need to draw pencil pencil's head. And that's a rubber. So we draw a line across, just like that. And then we go up. That's pencil pencil's head. And then we're going to draw the hat on pencil pencil, which is the pink rubber. You ready? It's a line that goes up and it's diagonal at the top and then comes down again. Now we've got to draw pencil pencil's face, his eyes and his mouth. We'll start by drawing his mouth, which is a curved line. Then we're going to draw his eyes. Ready? 2 circles. Just like that. And we're going to do the pupils, the little dots. Ready? That's my best friend, pencil pencil. Do you like it? Now I'm going to write happy birthday on the card. You ready? Happy H-A-P-P-Y, happy birthday. B-I-R-T-H, birthday. D-A-Y, happy birthday. I'm going to put some balloons on as well. I'm going to start up here. They're kind of like circles. Ready? There's one balloon. I'm going to draw another one. 2 balloons. I'm going to draw one more. And another one. Now we've got to draw the strings of the balloons, like the ones behind me. Ready? Just like that. The wavy lines. What do you think? That's pencil pencil and some balloons and happy birthday. How's your card coming along? Great. I'm going to colour my card in now. So we know pencil pencil's yellow. Ready? So I'm going to draw the body of pencil pencil. There we go. Nice yellow. Now I'm going to draw his hat, the rubber. That's a pink. And then at the end of the pencil, it's brown. I haven't really got the right brown, but I'm going to use this one. And it doesn't matter if you haven't got the right colours either. You can colour it however you want. And then we're going to draw the balloons, and I'm going to use a red for that. I'm going to use a blue, because I like the colour blue. And a purple, because I like purple as well. It's kind of purple, purpley pink. So that's our birthday for Pencil Pencil. Do you like it? So do I. Okay, well, we'll put that there and I'll put it to the side and we can give it to him later. And I'm gonna just write my big card for him as well. You ready? I can do this from both of us if you want. Oh, it's big. Right, I need to find my pen. So I'm gonna put 2 Pencil, Pencil. Happy birthday from me, Jonny. And obviously you as well. If you want to send Pencil Pencil your birthday card, why don't you get a grown-up to take a photograph of your birthday card and share it with us? Now let's draw Pencil Pencil a birthday present. We're going to draw a big rectangle and then a big bow on top. You ready? Here we go. Here's the present, a big rectangle. Now let's draw the bow. It's just curved lines really. You ready? We'll draw one part of the bow. Just like that. Can you see? You do it. And then we're going to copy it and go over to the other side and do the same. Just like that. We're going to do another line inside because we want to colour the bow in. And then again. Can you see? How's your picture? Great. We haven't finished the bow though because we're going to draw some ribbon at the bottom that ties the bow to the top of the present. And we're going to do this by doing 2 straight lines in the middle. Ready? Just like that. And we can finish it off by doing 2 small lines at the top as well. This is part of the bow at the top of the present. You ready? One there, and then one over at the other side. Just like that. That's our present with a bow on the top. Now we want to colour it in. Our present for Pencil Pencil's blue and it's got dinosaurs on. So I'm going to colour my present in blue. What colour are you going to use to colour your birthday present in? Here we go. Watch me. See? Blue, a nice blue colour for a present. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Lovely. I love the colour blue. I hope Pencil Pencil loves the colour blue. Brilliant. So that's our blue present. Now what colour goes good with blue? I'm going to use yellow. A yellow bow. That goes good with blue. Oh, wow. Look at that. Can you see? That's our birthday present. It looks brilliant. Hey, Pencil Pencil's coming. Quick, hide. I'm going to get my party hat on. And I need to get the cake. Ready? Wow, look. Our birthday cake and it's chocolate. It's got the 4 candles. He's coming, he's coming. You ready? Get ready to say surprise. Surprise! Happy birthday, Pencil Pencil! Should we sing happy birthday to Pencil Pencil? Ready? We practiced it earlier. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pencil Pencil. Happy birthday to you. Yay! If you've liked drawing with me, Jonny, and celebrating Pencil Pencil's birthday, why don't you come back and join us again? Bye!